So one thing about going from a unwelded diff to a welded diff is that unwelded diffs don't wear tires side to side evenly when you're drifting, and when you put the welded diff on it does, but when you put a welded diff on, if you have differently worn tires, the car will pull. So we've been fighting, like for the last 2 events, a really hard pull to right. Turns out it was unevenly worn tires. So I ripped the tires off of the bucket, which I'm currently dailying, and we put them on the Cheeto. We got like 2 different tread wear depths. So I think the bottom tire has less tread, but this one has more tread. And so now we have even tread across because these tires are brand new. And so we shouldn't pull anymore. I wanted to chase the lug holes because some of them are starting to get chewed up. I have a tap that fits that, and I'm just gonna make it very nice so the lug nuts do not have a bad time going in the holes. But it does not matter because we go do the drift thing. Time attack and drift practice, so I'm gonna get an hour session and Daniel's gonna get an hour session in. Should be good. Bad, I'm sorry.
At least you didn't hit the cone.
I didn't hit the cone, or I did hit the cone?
You didn't.
That was the worst run I've had in a long ass time.
That was fun.
Let's see if I can not suck this run. That felt really good.
Yeah, if the bus stopped that little part that's done.
Yeah, exactly.
Instead of going straight.
Instead of going straight. But if you go too fast into it, you're gonna go through it instead of around, you know? Oh, horrible. Alright, D, it's up to you. Don't suck, as I have sucked. Sending it right off the bat.
Got dirt high.
I'm sorry.
No, we went on the dirt. I almost had it. Ooh, that whip is hard.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making